everyone, I'm Annie. Welcome to TIMTOS Green Smart Manufacturing Factory Tour Series. Now I'm at Focaseiki Corporation. Focaseiki is a relatively young company specializing in CNC machining center. Hello Raymond.
Hello Annie. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me here. Could you please show me around?
Okay, follow me.
So Raymond, could you please tell me a bit of Focaseiki?
Okay, Focaseiki was established in 2005. We are one of the few manufacturer machine center maker in Taiwan. Focaseiki always put the customer interest ahead of our own. And we are developing the new model of the machine. Always is a follow up is what is the market, what is their need.
Okay, so thank you for your introduction. And what can our visitor expect to see on your TIMTOS online booth?
Okay, for this time online booth, we have show the two new model of the machine, and so I will ask my staff, Mr. Kevin, show for you.
Okay, thank you. So what product are we going to show us today?
Hi Annie, without further ado, let me show you the machines we are talking about today. This is our new product of 2021 called FUV190T. This machine combined 3-axis machining center and 5-axis machining center, which has acidic cover and 100% using Eagles cable trim from Germany. And also the lubricate on this machine all using the copper pipe, and also have close-up electric cabinet. And the most important thing is that you can, by having this machine, to solve your manufacturer problem without buying two machining centers. It can save your cost from facility and having two machining centers efficiency. I'm going to introduce another product, FSC500T, just like FUV190T and all the other products of Focaseiki do. This machine has a static cover and close-up electric cabinet and 100% using cable chain from Germany. And also all the lubricate on this machine using copper pipes. This machine also have a static cover and close-up electric cabinet, and 100% using Eagles cable trim from Germany, and all of the lubricate using copper pipes on this machine.
after the outbreak of COVID-19, is Focaseiki being affected? And is there any change for your business model?
Yes, should be have something to change because before COVID-19, we had to make a lot of trips to visit to the other foreign customers. But after COVID-19 happened, I think we only can do is a video meeting with the customer and discuss business point.
Okay. So from your point of view, how will the machine tool industry develop in the post-pandemic era?
I think that, because the COVID-19 situation still is very serious, so I think that my personal thinking is probably the next year, 2022, I think the should be have business will increase step by step.
So thank you, Raymond, and providing so much information about Focaseiki, the product, and the views on the market. And TIMTOS online exhibition is now on online.timtos.com.tw. Just log into the website and see nearly 1,000 exhibitors, including Focaseiki's latest products and technology. So see you online. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.